What's up everybody? On today's video we're going to be replacing the heater hose lines. They go to the heater core, and we're talking about, let's see, these ones right here. I don't know if you can see them, but they run all the way all along there. Go to the back, you can see them there. I try to get better lighting, but yeah, they go all the way to the back right there. These lines were very expensive from the dealership. I want to say somewhere around $400 to $500 for the set, and it comes with all the lines, everything to the back. So I'm going to show you the process on how we removed that today, because I couldn't find any videos or anything helping me on how to do this job.
Alright, so we're going to start by removing all these plastic clips that hold this cover. This is basically the windshield wiper mortar cover. Clips just pull out through the center, pop out the side. There's, I want to say, about 8 clips. There, right here, right here. There's a couple more over here on this side. So you want to just go ahead and pop these out. Once all those clips are popped off, you want to go ahead and pop the little covers that are covering the nuts on the windshield washer wipers. Simply just pry on the bottom of them. Be careful, there is a plastic line that actually sprays the water through the wipers. You don't want to break that, but just take your time on them. They're plastic and they can break if forced. Alright, once those covers are popped off, it should be a 13mm. Grab yourself a socket. I'm using a impact gun. Just go ahead and give it a couple duggas.
On these right here, all I did was twist it to break the seal and just slightly pull back. Mines are pretty fresh. If yours are brittle, they might break. So on this one, I just had to wiggle it like that. Basically lift this one up, push this down, and it should pop up. If not, just wiggle it with some WD-40. Make sure you don't break the mortar. So let me see. Well, the wiper blades are off. I think you should be able to just slide this out.
Now that we got this plastic up, there's going to be 2 T50 screws that we have to remove. And that's to remove these 2 brackets that I have right here on the floor.
Mounting that car, you get this one 10mm bolt holding that bracket right there. See it? That one right there. So you want to go ahead and take that out, 10mm. And then we can go back up and work on the top. But this is from bottom of the vehicle. Alright, now that we got that bottom 10mm bolt out, we can go ahead and wiggle it around. You can see now it's loose. We're going to go ahead and disconnect these lines right here. We're going to just go ahead and pull that silver clip up, take them off, don't lose the clips, and then we should be able to pull the hoses back. Alright, so with some needle nose pliers, basically you want to remove these clamps, and then with the old hose I gave it a nice slit just to not fight it, so I slid it with the blade and pulled it right off. Came off easy. That way I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process, do it on this one, and then as well on the bottom ones down there, because this is how it comes. Comes with new clips, everything. Alright, so we disconnected the lines. We're going to go ahead and remove this. There's 4 10mm bolts to take off this piece first. Now we can go ahead and remove all this out the way. Clean up all the dirt. Now we got all the room in the world. Alright, so we got everything back together. New pipes. Everything all assembled in there nice. Gotta put the windshield wipers cover back on, put coolant, bleed the system. And that's how you replace the heater hoses that go to the heater core.